G'day, how's it going? This is DK, where the time has come for me to try everyone else's self-quarantine tips. Imagine you're in Woolies, right? And you're looking for toilet paper, and you're walking through the aisle, and you're kind of miserable looking at the empty shelves, and then there's this person who's just hanging by your side and repeatedly just tells you there's a new sale. Oh, a friend just updated their status. Here's a new email. Oh, here's a new message in the group chat. It gets really annoying. Seriously, you need to stick with the mission. You could be at the dining table doing something really important, and then out of the blue, some dickhead decides to message you, and it's literally so annoying. Are you serious right now? It's literally 7:30. Who the hell is using social media at this hour? Notifications, 95% of the time, are a hassle. And as Ramil says, if it's urgent or important, they'll call you. We are constantly bombarded with unnecessary notifications. I mean, it is exhausting talking about this. Ni Eyal writes in his amazing book, Indistractable, traction draws you towards what you want in life, while distraction pulls you away. Traction. Distraction. Notifications are just one of the many ways people steal your time. There is another way around this rule. For example, if you aspire to be the world's #1 chef, and the world's current #1 chef, your role model, is on social media, then it would be okay to turn on notifications for them. They say that as soon as you wake up, you have about 8 seconds to remember all the contents of your dream. So it's best to keep a dream journal on your bedside table. Write as much as you can, as detailed as possible. Write about the imagery and the colors and the things that you saw and heard, and most importantly, the emotions you were feeling as you were experiencing the dream. Yeah. Our next tip is from one of my good mates, Hayden, and it's always look fab, which means that you need to take good care of yourself. This includes getting plenty of sleep, drinking lots of water, and implementing a face routine every night. It's important to spend between 15 and 20 minutes each night brushing your teeth, flossing your teeth, and using a face wash. Using warm water to open those pores up, and using a face washer to clean those pores. You have to make sure that every night you clean your face. You don't want to walk out of the house looking like a monster, do you? If you haven't already, you need to implement it in your daily routine. Just keep going at it, and then you end up with skin like mine. Growing up, I never really liked painting because I wasn't very good at it. I'm a terrible painter, but I gave this a go because a good mate of mine, Esther, she recommended it to me. For our next tip, we have a very special guest. One of my good friends, Adrienne, is going to show us what she does in self-quarantine. Take it away, roll the clip.
Quarantine, more like boring. I got 3 tips that are going to help you get through isolation. It's going to be so clean. Clean. An hour tops. Bushfire season may be over, but that burning hatred for your ex, burn his shit, or her shit. Don't have a dog? Get a dog. I just rescued this poor little puppy from an enclosure. Now she's got a friend and I've got a friend for quarantine. And now me and little Taco are gonna go enjoy. Bye guys.
Okay, so you're really excited to go for your morning jog. You finish tying your shoelaces, but then you realize... So there's that, and that, and that, and all that. Oh no. Fuck my life. Yeah, we've all been in this situation. And it's our responsibility to clean up the mess. Implements a system where items will be categorized and stored in designated spaces. Tech only goes here, stationery only goes here, and batteries only go here. Separate your cables and adapters and keep the two containers next to one another. I like to get these bamboo ones from Kmart and Big W. Because as they say, a clean living space helps you get a clean mind. And as Warren Buffett says, the standards that you walk past are the standards you accept. What are your standards? So what's it gonna be? Are you just gonna sit there at your desk and wait for someone else to pick up your trash for you? The choice is yours, mate. How do you think your ancestors would feel? Surely you know how un-Australian it would be to let something like this slide. This box was inspired by this compartment at work at my day job. So it's good to have non-negotiables when you have something like this. And then I just labeled it and I put like sticky tape. Thank you again for watching the video. Keep learning, keep growing, keep doing whatever you can to be better than yesterday. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. They're laughing. I can't do it. Serious. Be serious. They're laughing.